Alright. We're gonna mount it on the edge right here. Oops. Yep. Just using this small flathead screwdriver. Make sure I stick to the aluminum back frame. We can use it as a heat sink, so we are not using the original reflector because it's too small. So we're going to do the other side. As a matter of fact, we can take it out like this and just stick it, see that? So let's do the other side. Remove it. You see, this is actually pretty good. You know, the whole back plate is aluminum, so it makes the heat spread much faster. Make sure the contact's good. Alright, so we're gonna move this one out and just put it right back. The plexiglass. Okay, looks good. Looks really good. Alright, so now next thing, we're gonna put back the plastic film. No, I'm sorry, not the plastic. Diffusion sheet. So diffusion sheet, I just, before I flip over now, is put like this way. So when you put it back, make sure that both ends have markings. As long as they with the marking, of course, the last thing you need to check, if you see some dirt on it, you have to clean it. Otherwise, it will be one small dust become a dead piece. So when you fire up, so just make sure everything's clean. Now it's time to put back plastic cover. So make sure the direction is right. This one is for the wire. So yeah, that's good. So let's see what happens here. I'm gonna put it back like it was before. Oops. No, let me adjust this one. Yeah, that looks good. Okay. Kind of snaps in. You can feel the plastic. It's there. It's in. Okay, this one. Make sure the wire goes. One wire goes this side. This one goes to. You see that? Yeah, let's do the same thing on this side. Just fine. You see this? Alright. Just make sure everything's in place. Now we're gonna hand over our liquid glass. Okay. Alright. Here we go. You have to be careful. This one should be like this. Okay. Also, clean it, clean it, clean it, clean it, clean it. No fingerprints. Here, clean. Now, this should be this end, because let's see, you're gonna put it in. It's laying like this. Okay. You can flick over and get your hand. See, behind, just underneath that, hold the glass and flip over. This is really dangerous procedure step, and also when I say dangerous, make sure that this glass sit inside of a plastic film. So you have to make sure it sit inside the plastic film. Otherwise, when you put the metal cover back, you and then it's gonna crack the corners if they are not in place. So just double check, take your time, you know, make sure they sit inside and then flip over. Now, here's the back cover, front cover, metal cover. You kind of do like this, okay? Then you get your hand around, other hand around underneath that. You see this? So just hold it, okay? Slowly adjust it. Don't push it, don't apply any pressure yet. Make sure everything's in place. Looks good, looks good, looks good, and then you just push it and snaps right in. Okay, next thing, make sure this module and getting close. Okay, so we're gonna put the screw back. So far so good. All right. Four screws. Four screws. Okay. This tiny screw, just put it right back. Almost done. It depends. Usually I will add a what we call a security tip here and to secure this wire, so that way it's much better. And you can use any kind of tip to secure it. We don't have to cover the light because we're gonna put it inside the metal case of the Allen Bradley Versa 1200M. That's it to upgrade LED. Next video we're gonna show you how to put it back and inside of the Versa 1200M.